Hello everyone and welcome to our usability evaluation presentation of the RSPCA Victoria website. We are Group 29 and these are my fantastic teammates. So RSPCA Victoria is one of Australia's animal welfare organizations, and in this usability test we will focus on these 5 key features of their website, and we will focus on usability issues like interface comprehension, information architecture, visual cues, and also the interaction flow. And we used a hybrid testing approach, combining unmoderated testing with moderated in-person testing. The remote testing was done using Optimal Workshop with 15 participants. We used TreeJack to assess information architecture, and Chalkmark to evaluate first-click accuracy and layout clarity. The in-person testing was conducted in our user experience lab with 6 participants. We applied sync allows and eye tracking, along with 1 observation room and 1 test room for natural behavior monitoring. We designed 6 realistic task scenarios, each linked to a core function of the RSPCA Victoria website.
In the finding section, we first discovered that when conducting offline monitoring tests, many participants press reset as the search button, and reports that the design of the button was very illogical. Generally speaking, there is a button behind the search box to help users complete the search action, but there is no such button here. Instead here, there is an anti-human reset button. One of the participants comments, "It is too eye-catching. When I search, I usually assume that the last button in the search bar is the search button, so I press it." Similarly, the eyes tracking data heat map showed that the fixation density of the reset area is very high, even higher than the advanced search related to the actual task. Many users focus their eyes on the reset areas, obviously mistaking it from the interest for the main function. Another serious issue is that there are too many professional categories on the web page. In the heat map of report quality, we have clearly seen that the participant interest is gradually decreased. Too many categories and terms make them don't want to confirm one by one, and the participant unanimously agrees that pets with insufficient food, water, or shelter, underweight or emaciated animals, and sick or injured animals are difficult to distinguish. All they want to do is just report it, but the overly complicated category make it difficult for them to proceed well. At the same time, even if they make a choice, they cannot confirm that the choice is correct. They are too complicated, which make me retreat a little.
The third issue we discovered was the poor text layout on the volunteer application page. All 6 participants noted that the text was too small, and 4 found the content overly dense and difficult to read. This made them less willing to stay on the page or read further. Eye tracking data confirmed this, showing that users mostly skimmed the headings and ignored the rest of the text. Without things like subheadings, word keywords, or images, the layout felt overwhelming and difficult to follow. Finally, we found a major issue with how the product categories were organized on the shop page. All 6 participants said the filter text on the left side were hard to understand. 5 of them pointed out problems like unclear wording, inconsistent formatting, and overlapping labels. For example, whether puppy should include puppy food, and why there seems to be 2 dog toy categories, just with different capitalizations. On top of that, 2 users mentioned that the text was too small, and there were just too many fragmented categories, which discouraged them from reading each label carefully. Clearly, the way categories are grouped and labeled needs a rethink to better support users.
Based on the evidence from both our moderated lab sessions and the 50 remote tests, we proposed 5 high-impact recommendations for the RSPCA Victoria website. First, on the top filter page, swap the position of the advanced search and the oversized reset button as a clear green search button, and trigger a confirmation dialog on reset to prevent accidental data loss. Second, introduce an emergency call no shortcut at the top of the report page and replace a long jargon heavy form with a 3-step wizard that supports photo upload and automatic location capture. This will let users fill urgent reports in under 2 minutes. Third, restructure the volunteer page with headings, bullet points, and activity photos. Then add a filter for role type so user can find the suitable position in one click. Force group health status icon on each pet card under medical status, header, and hover tooltip, so first-time adopter knows exactly what icons mean. Finally, simplify store filters, remove duplicate text, and display important information like remaining stock and sales on product cards.